In the previous video, we talked about peptides as communication messengers between cells. But here's the next question. If cells need to communicate, what supports this communication system? Think about your phone. To send a message, you need the message itself, a good signal, enough battery, and a working network. Our body is similar. Cells need the right raw materials, the right environment, and a good delivery system to communicate properly. This is where nutrition and bioactive ingredients come in. In SOP Subarashi Gold, we can see several groups of ingredients that fit into this concept. First, peptide-rich ingredients. Ingredients like salmon ovary peptide, salmon caviar peptide, salmon anserine peptide, tuna heart peptide, sardine peptide, and fruit flow vegan peptide are related to the peptide concept. Peptides are short chains of amino acids. Some peptides may act like biological messages, while others may provide building blocks that support the body's natural repair and communication system. Second, amino acids. Amino acids are like the alphabet of life. When amino acids join together, they form peptides. When longer chains are formed, they become proteins. So if peptides are like short messages, amino acids are the letters used to write those messages. Third, ingredients like nucleic acid and L-cysteine. Nucleic acids are related to DNA and RNA, which help cells produce proteins and carry out instructions. L-cysteine is an amino acid that supports the body's antioxidant system, especially glutathione, which is important for protecting cells from oxidative stress. Fourth, ingredients like collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, and chondroitin. These ingredients are related to the environment around the cells. Cells do not live alone. They live in a structure like a house. Collagen and elastin support the structure. Hyaluronic acid supports hydration and cushioning. Chondroitin supports connective tissue. When the environment around the cells is healthier, cells can function, repair, and communicate more efficiently. And finally, circulation support. If peptides are like messages, then blood flow is like the delivery road. Nutrients, oxygen, and biological signals need good circulation to reach the cells. That is why supporting healthy blood flow is also part of supporting the body's communication and repair system. So when we talk about peptides and nutrition, we are not just talking about supplements. We are talking about supporting the body at the cellular level, the message, the building blocks, the delivery road, and the environment around the cells. This is why peptide-based nutrition is becoming such an interesting topic in healthy aging and cellular repair. In the next video, we will go deeper into another powerful function of peptides, how some peptides may act like hormone-like messengers and support growth signals in the body, including the important growth factor called IGF-1.